Okay, welcome back. Now we want to create a three-page website. So where we're going to be having about page in our home page, which is the index page and service page. So let's open our coding with Habiba, and then I can use any of this folder and then probably rename it or something, or instead I can create a new folder. So first website. Okay, then save it. So let me open first website. Then inside it I'm going to be creating different files. So the first one, index, that is the one that will be the home page. So we normally call it index.html. Then that is created. Then another file again, about.html. Then you save that one again, then another one again. So where's it? New file. Then I can name it services.html. Okay, so now our, what is it called, CSS. So my CSS can be in different way. I can just create file directly, or I can create folder and now create that CSS inside it. So whichever form, it's just that if I create a folder now and name it CSS and later open this folder and create, okay, let me teach us the two. Let's say CSS and I name it, this is a folder now. If I now open the folder, I can come here and say new file, style.css. So if I want to reference this kind of CSS inside my HTML, it's going to be different from the way I would reference this. Let's say I open new directly, style.css. So we have two different CSS now. So this CSS file is inside, they are both primary files, or let's say mother files, parent files, inside this folder called first website. But in the case of this CSS, it is still a kind of, so it falls inside another folder again. So the way I'm going to be referencing this inside my HTML is different from the way I'm going to be doing this. So let me make use of this. Now about.html, does the snippet, and then inside our title, so I'm going to be having link, style.css. So saved. Then I come here and open index.html. Style.css. So the same CSS that I'll be using to style them all. So it is saved now. Then another one, site services, HTML snippets. Then I try to add my link and say style.css. Okay, now we have the services page, index page, about page, then style.css. Many about to hire me. So I can remove anyone that may cause trouble. Services, index, about, then style.css. So let's stop here, then we shall continue in the next class. Thank you. Good night.